Welcome back, guys. Here with this fall makeup look using the ABH Subculture palette. Hope you guys like it, and if you guys do and would like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so starting off, I'm just combing through my brows with a spoolie. Get them nice before I start on them. To do my brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. Starting at the end of your brows, lightly outline your eyebrows with a super light hand, because with this pomade, a little goes a long way, literally. And you don't want Sharpie brows, so be mindful and go in with light strokes. Take your time. I know it takes a while, or it can take a while, because girl, it takes me forever. But hey, beauty costs. And whatever is left on your brush, just lightly outline and fill in your front part of your brows. And just try to get that nice blend, nice fade. Just get it looking cute, girl. Looking cute. And you can just always use your fingers to clean up anything. And then using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Sand, I'm going to carve out my brows to get them super on point. Because girl, I personally think that they look better when they're carved out, but that's just me. And it's not a 1, 2, 3 easy step, so I understand. So I'm just gonna outline my brows just like I did with the pomade and just clean it up. And I like to overline with the concealer on the top just in case I go too far, but I go further and further closer to my brows to get them nice and beautiful. And then whatever is left, I just place that all over my lid. Just conceal them eyeballs. Then to just set my brows in place so that they don't go anywhere, I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow in the color 3. And just like you would use a spoolie, just comb through your brows, get it everywhere, get it where you need it. Set them in place so that they don't move throughout the day. Here I'm just blending the concealer and just getting rid of any creasing that may have happened. And then with a skin colored eyeshadow, I'm just setting that concealer in place to have a nice canvas for my eyeshadows. Now for the fun part, eyeshadow. I'm taking Edge into the crease and above the crease. Just blend it out. And then going in with New Wave and a little bit of Roxy in the crease, and just build up the color to as much as you want. And as you're gonna soon see, I go in several times to build up the color and get the color that I wanted. And I got like an orangey peachy color, and I just kept going in and just adding more and more. And of course blend. And then going in with Adorn, I'm going to take that into like 2/3 of the eyelid just to add some sparkle, shimmer, you know. And of course, never satisfied with the color, so just continue to add more and more if the colors seem to get lost into each other. No biggie. And of course, blend, girl. Then I'm going to take the color Fudge and put that into the outer corner to just deepen up the outer corner, give it some depth. And when you're satisfied with the look that you've created, just take any makeup wipe or baby wipe and just clean under wherever you got fallout, if you got fallout. And this is how mine turned out. Moving on to the face, I'm taking the Mario Badescu Rosewater Facial Spray and dampening my sponge, mixing my Matte and Poreless and Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I'm going to just place that all over my face. And of course, I mean, you don't want to see all of that, so I just sped that up, just put it everywhere, especially your neck, blend it down your neck. And then again with the Maybelline concealer, draw super cute shapes on your face. Wherever you need highlighted or concealed, which is under your eyes, bridge of your nose, upper lip, chin, and your forehead. And then taking more Mario Badescu spray and dampening my sponge again, I'm going to blend in the concealer. Taking Coty Airspun powder with a damp sponge, I'm just going to just really press and set that powder into wherever I placed concealer. And as I mentioned in my project pan, I'm going to use this CoverGirl pressed powder to set my bronzing areas because it is so dark that it basically bronzes and sets my face at the same time. And of course, gotta make that fishy face and get it on your neck as well. Don't want a white neck and a brown face. And again, going with my Coty Airspun powder and just setting all over my face and my neck because I don't really like feeling that tacky feeling of foundation, so I just get my skin nice and smooth. Going in with the e.l.f. blush and bronzer duo in Fiji, I'm gonna take the bronzer shade to just contour my face and just go in basically starting from the top of your ear down to like 2/3 of your cheek where that natural cheekbone line lies, and then going from your temples down to that line and then your jawline. So basically a 3. And also blend it down your neck. And just blend it out. Don't want harsh lines, blend it as much as possible. And then also just doing a light contouring of the nose. Going back to that same e.l.f. bronzer and blush duo, but this time taking the blush shade and then just put it where you put blush. Except for try to blend it like with your contour slash bronzer and go up and out. Don't necessarily put it on the apples of your cheeks because that can easily get you to look like a clown. And also taking the Too Faced Papa Don't Peach, I'm gonna say it's a blush topper because it's very luminous and I like to use that with like matte things so I'm not looking too matte. Then taking my baby sample of the Mary Luminizer, I'm going to place it on my cheekbones and I like to blend it up to my brow bone. Ooh, girl, that turn. And then I'm going to take New Wave and Fudge and just put it on my lower lash. Put New Wave all over, and then here is where I put Fudge on the outer and blend it with the one on the top. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use the shade Cube, also in my brow bone. Get that nice and beautiful and shiny. And it's such a pretty color. It's like a duochrome. It's a white shade but has pink reflexes. So pretty. For For eyeliner, I'm using the Lorac Black Eye Pencil, and I'm taking that into my upper waterline. Then with the Sephora Waterproof Contour Eye Pencil 12-Hour Wear in Flirting Game, that's a long name, I'm taking that into my waterline. For eyelashes, I'm using the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. And then, as usual, just wiggle it up and then make sure you coat behind your lashes to make sure it's fully coated. And just wiggle it up, get it nice and big and beautiful. And also the bottom lashes, don't forget those. Then before I place my lipstick, I'm just moisturizing my lips. You can use any chapstick really. And I'm taking the Mary Luminizer again to highlight my Cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. And guys, we're almost done. Going in with my favorite brown shade, ColourPop Lippy Sticks. Can't wait. I'm just gonna outline my lips first and then just fill it in. And guys, this is the end. Thank you for sticking with me if you did. And girl, here's the final look.